Joomla keeps track of who writes articles and when they're written. All of this information can be changed to suit your needs. Let's go to the article manager. And now let's pull up About Fresh and Local. Before we start editing things here, let's go to the front end. You'll notice that it says that this article was written by administrator. This actually isn't true. John himself wrote this article, and then we entered it into the database. Let's change this. Let's go back to the back end, and then on author alias, type in John's name. Then click Apply. Now let's go back to the front end, and click Refresh. You'll notice now it says written by John Callahan instead of written by administrator. You'll also notice that it says Monday, May 5th, 2008 as the creation date. Let's change this. John wrote this several years ago. Let's go back to the back end. You'll notice that there's a box for created date and an icon for a calendar on the right. A pop-up calendar appears where you can pick any date in the past or future. We're going to go to the past. Now click Apply. Let's go to the front end and click Refresh. You'll now notice that the date is Wednesday, May 5th, 2004. There are other situations where you'll want to display an article for a set period of time and then take it off automatically. Joomla can handle a situation like this, so let's go to the back end. First, you'll notice there's a Start Publishing date. If you wanted to set this to a date in the future and not show this article right away, you could do so here. At the moment, it's set to a date in the past, and the article in the front end is showing. If we want to finish publishing this article at a certain date, we can set that. Let's click the pop-up calendar, and we'll set the date for yesterday, and then click Apply. Now let's go to the front end. Click Refresh. You'll notice that now About Fresh and Local is no longer displaying because it's finished publishing. We actually want this article to display, so let's go back to the back end and clear the finished publishing date. Then click Apply. Now you'll notice in the front end when we refresh that the article is back. When you have content you want to publish only at certain times, you can use Start Publishing and Finish Publishing to do so. Also, if you are entering content on someone's behalf, you can give them credit through the author alias.